I've really been enjoying her, her sense of humor, and as the week has progressed, we've just become a lot more comfortable, just the whole group in and of itself, and I think she kind of brings that out in everybody, and she's just a delight.
Generous, funny, amazing. What a wonderful person. And I just can't, it takes my breath away to think that she came all the way over here to teach us this. Such a good communicator. To bring us from not knowing what we're doing at all in, what has it been, 5 days? Not 4 days?
Yeah.
My goodness. To the point where we're able to work with each other and actually see a result. It's really, she's a gifted teacher.